Welcome back, Dines Nation, to my cooking channel. On today's menu, I will be preparing a nutritious and energizing punch. So now, you are going to wash, peel, and cut the pumpkins, right? Like this size. If you want it much smaller, you can do that. After that, you will put it in a pot of boiling water. So here I'm going to put it in a pot of boiling water to cook. So this you will allow to cook for about 15 minutes. When this is cooked. So to add to the pumpkin mixture, we will need a bottle of dragon stout. You can use Malta if you choose, or Guinness, but I'll be using a bottle of dragon. Also, you will need a tin of supplement, a tin of strong back, which is peanut flavored. You will need some nutmeg, a little allspice, some molasses, a tin of condensed milk, some nutmeg, and I am using peanut porridge mix. This peanut porridge mix can also use to make punch. So I am using it to make a punch. So I am going to add some supplement. Strong back, so that's it. Wow, all of it. Dragon, I'm not going to put that much. Half teaspoon of vanilla. A little molasses. Some condensed milk. A little allspice. And a little nutmeg. I put a little more milk to it. Now I will add the peanut porridge mix. So I'm going to use about that amount. cover and blend. So now, a glass with some ice, and you pour. Wow, look at the thickness of this. Peanut pumpkin punch. You know that peanut is a good source of healthful fats, proteins, and fiber. It contains plenty of phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamin B. Pumpkin is good for the eyes. It's packed with vitamins that may boost immune health. It is a source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which may protect your eyesight. So, fellows, this is my nutritious, energizing peanut pumpkin punch. Go ahead and enjoy this peanut pumpkin punch. So, you're gonna, if you like this video, click like, subscribe to the channel, and for those who have subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have not subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button, then click the bell icon so you will be the first to be notified when I upload a new video. Guys, share up the video them with your friends. Like up the video them. And one love. Enjoy this delicious, nutritious, and energizing pumpkin punch.